Candidates equals clients. Guys, I've talked about candidate marketing, the MPC strategy, which are on my YouTube channel. I've done videos on it. The best way to get clients is to find an amazing passive candidate and create a scarcity environment out to a target list. So about 7 days ago, maybe less than 7 days ago, last week, I had a phenomenal candidate, a passive A-player candidate that reached out to me in my LinkedIn network, First Degree. I met him at a trade show years ago. And because of all the content that I put on LinkedIn on a daily basis, I am very disciplined with Monday through Friday, adding 1 or 2 pieces of content on LinkedIn where I've created a presence, I've created an audience and a network that has yielded me these results. So prime example, I'm going to show you exactly what happened here. I was able to generate 11 appointments in under 7 days with brand new recruiting clients. And here's the best part. I acquired 6 new recs from this one email that I sent out less than 7 days ago. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. And you guys can apply this same strategy as soon as today. Let's take a look. All right, this is by far the most valuable video that I've ever posted in my 3 years of owning Recruitemy, because I did not even realize that this email was going to generate so much interest and so many new recs when I created it and I sent it out. But let me show you exactly what happened. So this is literally a magical email. I'm not kidding. And if done the right way, this same result can happen for you. Now, I will tell you, let me stop there. It'll only work if you have a strong presence on LinkedIn. So if you're just getting started with LinkedIn, don't be discouraged. I was once in your shoes, but you have to start somewhere. LinkedIn, guys, is a modern day gold rush. It's not going to always be this way. You can make millions of dollars with your recruiting business on LinkedIn alone. I don't care what niche you're in. There's opportunity here. I work on it every day. All right. Now, when you're pushing out valuable content on a daily basis, you're going to create an audience and a network and a ton of first degree connections. They're going to be in your algorithm, on LinkedIn's algorithm, seeing you. You become an authoritative seller, which is what I teach my Recruitemy members. And then when you send this email out, I'm going to show you, you get a bunch of new recs. And this is how it goes. All right. So last week, I was contacted by a candidate, a passive A-player candidate. Those are the only ones that I work with. He's currently employed, been employed for the past 7 years, and he's just a little pigeonholed where he is right now at his job. He wants to make more money. He doesn't feel appreciated. And I know how valuable this candidate is. So I said to myself, all right, let me get an email crafted, go on to Sales Navigator, and get him out to a bunch of people in my first degree connection who I know are hiring managers, and maybe they want to see this candidate. No idea what to expect, right? I figured I'd get 1 or 2 responses. Let me show you. So here's my Sales Navigator account. Here's the email that I created, guys. Pause your screen, write this down. This is the $1 million email. So hi, first name. I have a unique situation, right? So right there, it's a hook. People are wondering what it is. I was contacted last week by a high value professional looking to explore opportunities within his field. And this word DAS is a keyword specific to the telecom industry, which is what I service. So that's even more relevant, creating more relevancy with my message to my hiring managers. I'm representing him confidentially, right? Even more of a secret. People are intrigued by this. They want to know who it is, all right? Since he's been employed for the past 7 years, right there establishes loyalty. It says this person, wow, they've been working for 7 years at the same company, and now they want to make a move. These candidates are tough to find. I've known this person for 5 years and he's well respected. People respect me. So when I go out on the line for somebody and vouch for somebody, it goes a long way. Again, because of all the work I've done on LinkedIn, I've established credibility and authority. He's seeking a PM, director, or project or program manager role. Do you have anything open for him? All right. So here's the responses that I received. Frank wrote back, Russell, we are always looking for talented people. Send his resume to me and I will circulate within the company. That's one. Here's another one. Same email went out to this hiring manager. He writes back, hope all is well. Sorry I missed this previously. I don't think we are a position open this time, but we are looking to scale in the near future. Beautiful. There's a sales pipeline builder right there. This person's going to go in my CRM and I'm going to get a rec from him eventually here. But let me keep going here, right? Here's someone who wrote back. Russell, sorry for delay. Getting back to you at the moment. We are looking at some opportunities and there is a specific one that could open the door for a well-qualified candidate with public safety DAS experience to lead the program. Would it be possible to share his resume to pre-screen? And you could eliminate the identity. Boom. Awesome. Let's keep going. All right, here's another one. Let's chat. And we did. Let's keep going. A lot of people got back to me and said they don't have a need right now, but they're going to go on my CRM for campaigns and nurture campaigns. Here's one. Possibly, I'm out of town next week. Let's circle back on Monday. And we did. I had a conversation with that. The list keeps going, guys. So then I pivoted out of here and I went into cold email and I sent the same candidate out to a bunch of people that I sourced on Sales Navigator. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 15 replies of people that wanted to see this candidate or told me not right now, but they may have some needs coming up. I conducted 11 calls, Zoom calls over the past 7 days with these managers, and I got 6 new recs from that email alone. So as you can see, it delivered 125 emails went out. I got a 15 reply, which is, what is that, like 12% reply rate? And 60 opened it. That's almost a 50% open rate. It's incredible. My subject line was captivating. It was relevant. And there it is, guys. That is how you get new recs and new clients, by finding an amazing passive A-player candidate, marketing that candidate, creating a scarcity environment, confidential search, passive A-player candidate. It's been working at a company for X amount of years. Managers want to know who this is. Hope that helps, guys.